In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a timer on Google Forms. To get started, open the Google form you want to add timing to. You can use a brand new blank form or an existing quiz or survey. Once you are in the form editor, look to the top right area of the screen for the menu that gives you access to add-ons. This is where you can extend Google Forms with extra features, including timers. Open that menu, then select Get Add-ons. This takes you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can search for the tool you need. In the search bar, type the word timer and pause for the results to load. Find the add-on called Timer for Google Forms Trademark and select it from the list. On the add-on page, select Timer for Google Forms Trademark again to open its details, then click Install. Google will ask you to confirm the installation and may also ask you to choose a Google account. When you see the permission screens, click Continue and follow the prompts so the add-on can connect to your form. These permissions are normal for add-ons that need to modify or manage form settings. After the installation finishes, click Done to close the confirmation. Now return to your form editor. Open the same add-ons menu again in the top right area. This time, choose Timer for Google Forms Trademark to launch the add-on. It may open as a side panel or a separate configuration window, depending on your browser and screen size. Next, open your form settings. This is where you will typically manage form behavior, and it is also a good place to confirm you are still working in the correct form before applying timing rules. After checking settings, go back to the Questions tab so you are viewing the form content again. If prompted again, select Sign in with Google, then click Continue through the authorization screens. Once you complete those prompts, the add-on is connected and ready to be used with your form. At this point, the timer add-on is installed and opened from your form, and you have completed the required sign-in and permissions, so you can proceed to configure timing inside the add-on interface. And that is all there is to it.